Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this awesome Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition. It's a 263 RLS rear living. It's really a great unit. It's got a nice big slide. It's got the big propane tanks, power tongue jack. It's got your plastic diamond plate for rock protection. Nice pass-through storage, lots of room. It's got a second door. It also has a nice big power awning, outdoor speakers, dual axle. Now this one has a friction hinge door on it, which is new and nice. Solid step entry. Let's go inside and take a look. This is a great unit for a couple who does some extended camping. Lots of room. The slide's a huge slide, this whole side. You got a couch, a dinette, and two recliners that are comfortable. Thomas Paine, can't beat it. Awesome, very cozy. Great size kitchen, upgraded faucet here, guys. A nice big farm sink. Lots of storage, great storage. Drawers everywhere, drawers up above, drawers underneath. You got storage underneath here as well. And it's the lighter colors, so if you like the lighter colors, this is a great choice for you. Let's head on back and take a look at the bath and the bedroom. Nice big medicine cabinet. Nice sink with lots of storage underneath. Glass shower. You've got your toilet here and more storage back behind, which is awesome. Now as you step into the bedroom, nice little accent wall. You've got plenty of place here for a CPAP machine or to put your phones. It's got USB plugs back here as well. There's a spot back here if you want to add a television. It's really an awesome unit. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call. 951-443-8323. Thanks.